In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a bolt in iparts in Autodesk Inventor coming up. Click the new part in the home screen. On the ribbon, click Primitive drop-down, then click Cylinder. Click the YZ plane. Click the origin point of the sketch to define the center point of the circle. Move the pointer and type 0.75 in the box and then press Enter. Type 3 in the distance box and press Enter. Start a sketch on the YZ plane. Click the rectangle drop-down, and select Polygon. Click the sketch origin. Type 6 in the Polygon dialog. Move the pointer vertically upward. You will notice that a dotted trace line appears between the origin point and the pointer. Click to create the polygon. Click Done in the dialog. Click Construction. Activate the Line tool and select the vertices of the polygon. Right-click and select OK. Activate the Dimension tool and create a dimension 1.5. Finish the sketch. Activate the Extrude tool and select the sketch, if not already selected. Use the Direction 1 or Direction 2 button to make sure that the polygon is extruded toward the left. In the Extrude dialog, type 0.5 in the distance box and click OK. Click Thread. Click the cylindrical face of the model geometry. In the Thread dialog, uncheck the full length option and type 1.5 in the length box. Click the Specification tab to specify the thread settings. Click OK to add the thread. On the Manage ribbon, click Parameters. This opens the Parameters dialog. In the Parameters dialog, click in the first cell of the Model Parameters table and type Diameter. Likewise, change the names of other parameters. Click Done in the Parameters dialog. Click Create ipart. The iparts feature allows you to design a part with different variations, sizes, materials, and other attributes. Now, you will create different variations of the bolt created in the previous section. This opens the ipart author dialog. In this dialog, you will define the parameters to create other versions of the model geometry. Now, right-click the table and select Insert Row. Notice that a new row is added to the table. In the second row of the table, type new values 5 in the height, 0.75 in head width, and 3 in thread length boxes. This creates the second version of the bolt. In the third row of the table, type new values 2 in the head size, 0.75 in head width, and 3 in the thread length boxes, and this creates the third version of the bolt. Click OK to close the dialog. In the browser bar, you will notice that the table item is added. Double-click any other version of the ipart to activate it. If you want to edit the table using a spreadsheet, then right-click Table and select Edit via Spreadsheet. Click OK on the message box. Now, modify the values in the spreadsheet and close it. A message pops up asking you to save the changes. Click Save to save the changes. If you want to make changes to any version of the bolt, then right-click it and select Edit Table. If you want to save any ipart version as a separate part file, then right-click it and select Generate Files. Save and close the file. If you like this video, hit like button and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.